So one of the main reasons why I keep coming to these places is because it's a way that I balance my energies out. You know, with all this that's going on in the world, personal stress, emotional stress, just, even things that you're not aware about, it does affect you, your mind, your body, your system in general. So this is a way to balance everything out. You know what I'm saying? Getting back into nature, getting back into feeling your body, and really doing meditative work, really doing breath work. You know what I'm saying? The more you do this, the better you'll feel, the better you'll get. Along with, listening to all the cautionary stuff that they tell you, this is another way to boost the immune system. This is a way to, combat any virus that's out there. So get into nature and feel amazing.
Maybe we never should. Didn't I say it's lonely? Didn't I make it clear? Isn't it fair to ask you? Why does yours still here? I can see I'm the light of uncertainty. Come back home and don't feel the same. All I've read was on to pay for you. You just knew I need.
The more I come to these places and the more in touch with the source I get and become by sunbathing, swimming in river water, you know what I'm saying? Eating living, natural, organic food, I feel limitless. I feel more just vibrant, vital. You know what I'm saying? It's an amazing feeling. So if you want to feel better and you want to just get out of that slump or feel, if you're full with anxiety or whatever it is, depression, stuck in that, take the initial steps. Make the effort to get in a place like this. Really be aware of what you're ingesting, the food that you're putting into your system and into your body, and know that it is affecting you. We got to get back into this. We have to relearn this stuff. Come on.
Made Melody Beats.